Hi guys, I'm Palm from Trading with Palm. Daukuradza kuti unaita say $1,000 from just $100 in just a space of 10 minutes. All right, so I'm trading binary options right now. So let's switch to the screen. All right, and follow me. Okay, guys, so we on the wide screen now. All right, the screen is wide. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We wanna trade $100 and make it a profit of $88, and then from that okay, right, we've placed a sell on Australian dollar JPY, a sell of $100. So if we win this trade, we're getting a profit of $88, and then from that $88, our next trade will be 100 plus the 88. Thus our next trade will be 188. All right, so zvatoda kuita toda kuti tika trader todzosera mari yatatrader yacho neprofit yacho yese. That means if we only do that 4 times, we would have made $1,000 from $100 in less than 10 minutes. All right, izvo hazvitedzero zvokumhanya izvi guys. But it's easy. With practice you can do that. All right, so trading is not tough, right? Yeah, okay. All right, so we've won our trade and we've made a profit of $88, as you can see. All right, so we're looking for another entry point, but this time around takuisa 188 yes. All right, exactly. All right, so we've placed our second trade here on USD Canadian dollar. So what's happening is that the point that we enter a trade, all right, we have what is called an expiration time. That means our trade lasts for a short period of time, all right, and then which is that red vertical line. So we're expecting the price to be below our entry point as it reaches that red vertical line, like right here, okay, because we've sold. All right, and wow, we've made another 166 from the 188. So we want to add the 188 plus the 165 together. All right, let's write 353 sell. All right, so we've sold the whole 353 on pound US dollar. All right, so if this trade wins, we're getting a profit of 310, and we'll be only left with just one trade to reach 1,000, because we're going to add the whole 353 plus the 310 and then we trade. All right, so we're expecting the price to be below our entry point because we've sold. All right, stay down, baby. All right, yeah, okay, wow, we have won 310. So we add in 310 plus 353, and that's 663. So our next trade we're supposed to place 663. All right, so let's go, baby. Let's look for an entry point. So if you're a beginner, you've got to be a little bit patient in really observing your entry points. All right, 663, and then we buy. Okay, so we've placed another buy on Australian dollar and Japanese yen. That's AUD JPY. All right, so as you can observe the trade, since we clicked buy, we're expecting our price to stay on top of our entry point as it reaches the expiration time. All right, so our profit is calculated by the moment that the price reaches the expiration time, and then is supposed to be above our entry point if it was a buy. If it was a sell, it's supposed to be below, but in this case we're expecting the price to be above. And as you can see right now, the price is against us. Okay, go up baby, go up baby, go up baby, go up, go up. If we win this trade, our profit will be 583. So plus the 663 that we've made already, it'll be 1,000. So check the balance. If okay, now the trade is on our side. All right. Okay. Oh wow. Wow. And we've won the trade, as you can see, 583 profits. And check the balance now. Wow. So yeah, it's easy to make $1,000 from $100 in just a few minutes, but practice will make you perfect. It's Palm guys from Trading with Palm. Love you so much, guys.
Yo, mighty man, Palm. I'm sorry, man, to disturb you, but I was just wondering, what's the best strategy that you teach your students, man?
When I teach my students, bro, like almost all strategies do work.
Yeah.
But the most important thing is the psychology.
Yeah, man.
These strategies that we teach, they all work, man. But how the person is going to relate to the shifts in the market, how the person is going to react to losses, stuff like that. Is you going to panic when you have a loss and stuff like that.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So
That's it.
the psychology at the end of the day matters the most. You know what I mean?
I feel, man.
You want to make money in the markets?
Yeah, man.
Just follow the strategy as we teach you.
I feel you, man. I feel you.
Exactly, bro.
So true.